Hello and welcome to The Foodie. Today we are going to make a pressure cooker pound cake with a chocolate peanut glaze. Most cakes are made in ovens, but many of us don't have ovens at home. But we do have pressure cookers, don't we? तो आज का केक बनेगा classic pound cake which is going to be just as creamy, just as delicious, but in a pressure cooker, and you're just going to love it. The first thing we're going to do is whisk the eggs. You have to whisk them really well. And I'm going to do that with the help of a hand blender. We'll add some sugar now. This is castor sugar. It's much better for baking than regular sugar. And now we'll beat it for another 4 to 5 minutes. And some vanilla essence for its lovely aroma. And just a few seconds more to mix the vanilla essence inside. Now we're going to mix a bit of baking powder in the flour. And now we'll add some unsalted butter to the egg mixture. This is the consistency you need to mix the mixture to, and it's done. And now we'll sift the flour and the baking powder mixture into the batter. Now we'll gently fold the flour into the cake mixture. Remember, this has to be just gently folded. We don't want it to become kneaded in any way. And now we're going to line our cake tin with some butter. This is a 7-inch cake tin I'm using here. अब अपने हिसाब से देखिएगा आपके कुकर में क्या फिट आता है. अब इसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा फ्लावर. अब इसको साइड में भी ऐसे करिए, थोड़ा गिरेगा. But then unless you get messy with your flour, what's the fun of baking, huh? अब एक्सेस फ्लावर को निकालने के लिए इसको 2-3 बार नॉक करिए. देखिए फ्लावर गिर जाता है. And here is our buttered and dusted cake tin. Now we'll put our cake batter into the bowl. अब इसको बड़े आराम से, बड़े प्यार से spread it along the bottom of the cake tin. And that is it. अब जब ये राइज होगा तो जो ऊपर की जो रफनेस है वो अपने आप चली जाएगी. Don't worry about that. I have preheated the cooker for 5 to 10 minutes on a high flame. Now we are going to reduce the flame and put our cake tin inside. I have used a steel stand at the bottom of the cooker to put the cake tin on. If you don't have such a stand, put some sand at the bottom of the cooker and you'll be just fine. Our cake is in the cooker now. Medium heat पर ये 10 मिनट पकेगा और फिर लो हीट पर 30 मिनट. याद रखिए कुकर की सीटी निकाल दीजिएगा. 40 minutes have passed and it's time to check how the cake is doing. But remember, आपके कुकर और आपके फ्लेम के साइज पर भी निर्भर है कि how long it'll take for your cake to cook. So if the results do not come out as you think they should, adjust the time a little accordingly, all right? Our cake has cooled down and now we will unmold it. अब ऐसे तो केक खाएंगे नहीं, so let's put this lovely sweet peanutty mixture of chocolate and peanut butter and Nutella. अभी अच्छा तो लग रहा है, but let's make it look a little more colorful, shall we? Now you don't have to wait for your friendly neighborhood baker to bake you a cake. You can make it yourself, किसी का इंतजार करने की जरूरत नहीं है, and you can make it at home with whatever topping you want. But one thing there, just because we are the Healthy Binge series, that doesn't mean you can't indulge yourself. All you have to do is portion control. All right? I hope you love this cake, and do leave a comment and tell me how much you loved it. Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching The Healthy Binge. Today, we are going to make a whole wheat carrot cake. If there are two ingredients we always have, they are wheat and carrots. So, if you're looking to indulge yourself and not feel as guilty, you can tell yourself, I'm just having wheat and carrots. We are going to mix 3 different mixtures for this. The first one is the butter, and on top of this, we'll add some castor sugar. अब इसको अच्छे से blend करें. I whipped the butter and sugar together for about 2 or 3 minutes until the butter and the sugar were beautifully and smoothly combined. The second mixture we'll be making is a blend of wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. And mix the 3 powders perfectly into the wheat flour so that if any lumps are present, you need to get them out. Finally, for this mixture, we add the carrots to the whole wheat flour. इसको धीरे-धीरे ऐड करिएगा और कैरेट के गुच्छे ना बने, इसका ध्यान रखिए. अब थोड़ा और गाजर डालें and mix again. कुकिंग में जो काम स्पैचुला और फोक से नहीं होता, वो काम आपके हाथ से हो जाएगा. So just get elbow deep into your dough and start working it. अब ये हो गया है. Now on to the third mixture. And egg number 2. We'll whisk this really well. We'll put the beaten eggs into the butter and sugar mixture. And now we'll blend this together. I blended this mixture for about 4 minutes, and now it's time to fold in the wheat flour and carrot mixture. And we'll fold it in. Now this is done, we're going to transfer this mixture into a buttered and dusted cake tin. And now we'll spread it all around. Now our cooker is hot enough and we'll put the cake mixture which is in our cake tin into the cooker. याद रखिए, कुकर की सीटी निकाल दीजिएगा. Our carrot cake has been in the cooker for 25 minutes. I switched off the gas and now I'm letting it cook in the residual heat for a while. Now before I open it, we're going to make that lovely white cream cheese frosting जो केक के ऊपर लगेगा. You'll love it. First thing, the white butter. उसके बाद powdered sugar. उसके बाद some good old-fashioned blending. And now we'll add the last 2 ingredients, the vanilla essence and the cream cheese. And we're done here. I blended it till it was a smooth mixture. This cake's time is up and it's time to get it out of there. We've let our cake cool down and now it's time to turn it over. Now the final step, the application of cream cheese frosting. And there we are. Our carrot cake is ready with the most delicious cream cheese frosting. You can have this with a cup of tea, coffee, whatever you like. I hope you liked this, and do leave a comment below and tell me how much you and your family loved having it for tea time.